Good morning everyone. Today I will teach about associative property. First I will explain associative property for whole numbers under 4 operations. First let us see addition. For addition, take any 3 whole numbers. That is, I have taken here 2, 3, 4 and we have to add that 3 only by putting the bracket in different way. Here see, here in LHS I have put bracket for last two terms. In RHS I have put bracket for first two terms, isn't it? Now in both cases we get answer 9 only. So to speak generally, take for any 3 whole numbers A, B, C, A plus B plus C is equal to AB plus C only we have to put bracket in different way. So if we get LHS equals to RHS or same answer, then we tell that addition is associative. For which number? For whole numbers. We are checking for whole numbers here. Okay. Next, once again take whole numbers and check for subtraction. Here I have taken 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, all 3 numbers are positive numbers only, but I have put negative sign here because we are subtracting the numbers. Okay. Now if you subtract, first we have to subtract the numbers inside the bracket, right? 5 minus 6 we have to subtract first because these two numbers are inside the bracket. So how much we get? Minus 1 we get. Then minus 1, 4 minus 1 is there. 4 minus 1, how much we get? 3 we get, right? Let us check for this. 4 minus 5 how much? Minus 1. And here another minus 6 is there. Minus 6 means is equals to minus 7. Here LHS is equals to 3, but 3 not equals to minus 7. So here LHS is not equals to RHS. So subtraction is not associative. Next, to check for multiplication. Take any 3 whole numbers, multiply that only just by putting the bracket for different bracket in different way. Means for last two numbers we have to put bracket here, and in RHS we have to put bracket for first two numbers. In both cases we get same answer. See, first to simplify this, multiply these two numbers. 5 into 2 how much we get? 10. 10 into 7 how much we get? 70, right? RHS 7 2s are 14. 14 into 5 70, right? So LHS is equals to RHS both. So here for any 3 whole numbers A, B and C, A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. So multiplication is associative. And division, if you check for division, once again these two are in square bracket. First simplify that, means 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Then 5 divided by 5. This here we get 5 and divided by 5 is there. So 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1 we get. Where? Here answer is 1 here. Now in RHS if we check, here 10 divided by 2 divided by 5 it is. 2 divided by 5 we do not get. We here 0.4 something we get. That will become 10 divided by 0.4. So we do not get 1 here, right? So what's your remark? Division is not associative. You have to write division is not associative. Now let us check for integers. Same way we have to add, taking the integers we have to add. First take any 3 integers. I have taken here 2, 3, minus 2, 3 and minus 4. First we have to add that. If you add the numbers inside the bracket, this plus 3 minus 4, how much you will get? Minus 1. And here plus is there, put one bracket for this, minus 2 is there. Minus 2 minus 1, how much you will get? Minus 3 you will get, right? LHS is minus 3. Next here minus 2 plus 3 is there. So plus 1, it will become plus 1 minus 4. How much you will get? Minus 3 you will get. So if you check for any integer, you will get same answer. LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS you will get. So our remark is, and generally we can tell that for any three integers a, b and c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. You have to see here only the way of putting bracket is different here and here. Okay, so addition is associative, like that. Next, subtraction. If you subtract the numbers inside the bracket here, 7 minus 3, you will get 4, right? Then 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. Here answer, here 1 you will get. Next, 5 minus 3 here, 5 minus 7, your answer is minus 2. Then minus 3 is there, and here you will get minus 5. But 1 not equals to minus 5, right? Here 1 you will get, which is not equals to minus 5. So here this answer is minus 5, this answer is 1. So what is your remark? Subtraction is not associative. And you have to check for multiplication, that is 5 into minus 7 into minus 8 is equals to 5 into minus 7 into minus 8. See, I have put square bracket here. In LHS I have put square bracket for last two numbers. In RHS I have put square bracket for first two numbers. And you have to simplify the numbers inside this square bracket first. That is minus 7 into minus 8 is equals to plus 56, right? Plus 56. Then into 5 you have to do. Into 5. How much you will get? 5 6 is 30. 5 5 is 25 plus 3, 280 you will get. Where? Here. For this you will get 280. Okay. Next, 5 into minus 7. This you have to simplify first. That is minus 35 into minus 8. Here minus into minus plus you will get. Minus into minus plus you will get. 35 into 8, 280 you will get. Okay. So your remark is multiplication is associative. Generally you can tell that for any three integers a, b and c, a into b into c is equals to a into b into c. Okay. Next, division is minus 10 divided by 2 divided by minus 5 is equals to minus 10 divided by 2 divided by minus 5. Here see, for these two and for these two I have put square bracket. First we have to simplify the numbers here. Means minus 10 divided by 2. How much we get? Minus 5. Divided by minus 5. Plus 1 we get. Right? Plus 1. For this 1 we get. Here minus 10 divided by 2 divided by minus 5 is there. Means minus 0.4. We do not get 1. So our remark is division is not associative. Next, for rational numbers we have to check. Same method we have to, same procedure we have to continue. For addition, taking any three rational numbers. Here I have taken minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5, then minus 5 by 6. And only the way of putting bracket is different. For these two I have put square bracket, and in RHS also minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. For this I have put to square bracket, and one rational number is outside that bracket. And if we add that, first we have to add these two, then we have to add this minus 2 by 3 to the sum of these two, right? And in both case, For RHS also, for LHS also we get 9 by 10 only. So here once again a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c we get. So addition is associative for rational numbers, your remark. For subtraction we do not get. LHS is equals to RHS. So subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Like that you have to write. And for multiplication you have to check. Here we get like similar to addition, we get here LHS is equals to RHS. If you multiply minus 7 by minus 7 by 3 into inside the bracket 5 by 4 into 2 by 9 is there. If you multiply these two and if you multiply 7 by minus 7 by 3 to answer product of this, then you will get minus 7 by 3. And in case of into this, here also you will get same answer. Multiplication here also, let us check once. See, 5 by 4 into 2 by 9 is there, right? Here it is 10 divided by 36 we get, isn't it? Then something here it is not typed correctly, and into once again 5 by 4 into okay, here this minus 7 by 3 should come to next line. Here it should come. Now let us check. Now how much you got here? 10 divided by 36 we got now in LHS. Now let us check for RHS. Minus 5 by 4 into 2 by 9 is equal to 10 divided by how much? Here 9 4s are 36. In both case we get same. LHS is equals to RHS only we get. This minus 7 by 3 should come here. Okay, here this column is small, so it has come here. This should come here. Equals to, it must be equals to LHS. This side is equals to this side. At that time we get answer minus 35 divided by 54. So multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Next, division. In case of division we do not get. LHS is equals to RHS. So division is not associative for rational numbers. And here I have given you homework table. You have to complete this. Similar to closure property, commutative property, you have to fill up the blanks here. For all rational numbers, integers, whole numbers and natural numbers also you have to try and write. Okay, if there is any doubt you can contact me. Okay, tomorrow I will ask you to send the homework to my personal number. Okay, thank you.